Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this PySpark video, we'll learn how to use transform function. Okay, so how to utilize the transform function in Spark data frame. We will get to see in this video. Without wasting time, let's go to our notebook. So for saving time, I have already created one data frame here. You can see here we have ID, name, role, and city column. Okay, so now if we as a Spark developer, if we want to as a Spark developer, if we want to define some custom function for changing the data frame for customers using that custom function, you can customize the data frame data. Uh, so what will do? Let's see. Suppose I want to define one function for for converting the roll number convert to okay, convert to um, um, dividation. Convert to convert function. We need to use specific naming convention. So here we will pass our data. Okay. So in this function, what we will do in this function, will return the value after dividing the roll number with 2. Okay. Return the data frame with column we can take the mm, same name role. Okay, so what will be happening? We'll divide the all the roll numbers with 2. Okay. Okay, so I have defined my function explicitly. Okay, this is the user defined function. Okay, so how we'll utilize this user defined function, how we'll apply this user defined function in our data. So in this case we need to use the transform function. तो ये वाला जो यूजर डिफाइन फंक्शन मैंने किया है, तो हम लोग एक्सप्लिसिटली एक फंक्शन को डिफाइन किया रिक्वायरमेंट्स के हिसाब से, तो इसको हम लोग अपने डेटा में कैसे इंक्लूड करेंगे वो देखने वाले हैं, ठीक। चलो देखते हैं। tf1 another variable I'm taking for storing the data frame. tf dot now use the transform. So in transform function argument, just pass your is the define function. So Spark will understand that this data frame you want to this data frame's data you want to change based on this function. Okay. So if now one minute, now just mm, now I'm running the whole notebook. You can get the data. It was 53, it was 16.5. So it has come like in flow. Okay. Okay. So if I'll one minute, I'm changing it as a marks. Okay. So roll number it should not be a float I. Okay. So I'm changing it as a mark. So you can marks. Okay. Yeah, you can change it here. You can consider it as a mark. If I will run it once again. No, if I have multiple functions like this, so I'm creating once again a new function. So how will apply the data frame in a single way or at a time? So as a developer, you will have multiple functions in your code. So how you will apply the all the functions, whatever it is required, in a single way. So that we will see here. Okay. Now, if I want to perform the sum, so what we will do, if I want to add 10 with all the roll numbers, so I have added here. Now, just first I want to divide it with 2. And after that, I want to perform the summation. Okay, so just take the data frame, take the function and paste it here. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, तो पहले अब यहाँ पे मेरा समझ लो, यहाँ पे मेरा मल्टीपल फंक्शन है. एज ए डेवलपर आई नीड टू वर्क विथ मल्टीपल फंक्शन, ओके, फॉर चेंजिंग माय डेटा सेट. ओके, तो मल्टीपल डेटा सेट को यहाँ पे एट ए टाइम परफॉर्म करवाने के लिए बेसिकली वी नीड टू यूज दिस लाइक दिस. ओके, तो पहले यहाँ पे डिविजन होगा विथ 2. आफ्टर दैट जो भी मार्क्स है उसके साथ 10 ऐड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो करके देखते हैं. This is our earlier data frame, the whatever we need, and after the after the change, you can see the difference. First, it has divided with 2, and after that, added 10. So this is the basic funda of this transform function. Okay. I think you have understood the concept. If you still have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section. Okay, and if you like my video, please do like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, Cognitive Coder. So I need your support, okay, for growing up my channel. You guys support is very much required. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on the video. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.